Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and isolating the controller so you don't create shorts. Once disconnected, remove the battery or cable and open the shell carefully. That prevents accidental inputs while you work. Inspect the joystick boot and PCB for dust, corrosion, or a torn membrane because contaminants cause drift. Make sure to have a spudger, small Phillips, cotton swabs, and 90% isopropyl. Having the right tools speeds cleanup and reduces risk of damaging connectors or sensors. You remove the joystick module or potentiometer next, taking care not to stress ribbon cables or solder joints. Once accessible, clean the shaft, pot edges, and nearby PCB pads with 90% isopropyl on swabs. This dissolves grime that causes erratic signals. After drying for a few minutes, reassemble just enough to power on and run calibration or drift tests. This shows whether cleaning fixed the issue or if the pot still reads noisy values. Because cleaning, sometimes only temporarily, if cleaning didn't stop the joystick from moving by itself, you replace the worn pot or entire stick module using an OEM or high-quality aftermarket part. That fixes mechanical wear and worn resistive tracks. Once installed, fully reassemble and recalibrate the controller in system settings, adjusting dead zone if supported to mask minor residual drift. If problems persist, make sure grounding and solder joints are solid and try a different controller on the same system. If still unresolved, consider a professional repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.